Hi, my name is Miss Shani, and I'm going to be helping your teacher by reading this book. This book is called Feast for 10. It's written and illustrated by Catherine Falwell, and it's published by Scholastic Incorporated. This book is about a family that is getting ready for a big meal, a feast. Everyone gets to help. Let's see how they help each other in the story. Feast for 10. One cart in to the grocery store. 2 pumpkins for pie. 3 chickens to fry. Looks like they're helping by putting the pumpkins and the chicken in the cart. 4 children off to look for more food. We're going to go help by looking for more food. 5 kinds of beans. 6 bunches of greens. 7 dill pickles stuffed in a jar. 8 ripe tomatoes. 9 plump potatoes. Looks like they're helping by putting those vegetables in a bag. 10 hands help to load the car. Looks like they're loading the car. Then 1 car home from the grocery store. Looks like they're helping by unloading the car and bringing the bags of food and groceries in the house. Oh, and look at Daddy. He's also helping with the baby. 2 will look, 3 will cook. They're helping by cooking. 4 will taste and ask for more. Oh, they're helping by tasting, right? Making sure it tastes just right. 5 empty cans, 6 pots and pans. He's helping by putting the empty cans in that recycling bin. She's helping by putting those pies in the oven. 7 more carrots to wash and peel. They're helping by peeling and washing the carrots. 8 platters down, 9 chairs around. So everyone's helping by putting out the food on the table and putting out the chairs all around the table. Getting ready for their feast. 10 hungry folks to share the meal. Looks like everyone helped, and now they're having their meal, their feast. Oh, there go those jelly beans. Those are tasty. The end. Now, I want you to think about, how do the people in your family help each other? Thanks for listening.